Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something truly exciting in store for you. Are you ready to elevate your design presentations and impress your clients? Well, you're in luck because I about to unveil a fantastic freebie, the pre-jersey mockup template. First things first, let's talk about what makes this pre-jersey mockup template stand out from the crowd. With its realistic textures and easy customization, it's a game changer for designers looking to bring their jersey designs to life. Getting your hands on this mockup template is a breeze. Simply head over to the link in the description below and watch the full video for the zip file password. So, don't skip. For this demonstration, we'll be using Adobe Photoshop. The magic of this mockup template lies on its organized layers. As you can see, it's organized. You can easily change colors by simply double-clicking the shape layer. And you may place your design with your own artwork by using the clipping mask method. I'll show you later on how to do it. Let's start with the front. I will be using this pattern. And if you want these sample jersey patterns for sublimation printing, I have another video on how to get these files for free. So, check that out. Okay, I'll paste the pattern. I will resize it and adjust it to fit it on the template. Okay. Now that's it. That's perfect. Then we will use the clipping mask method. Just hold Alt and hover your mouse between the two layers in the layers panel, just like this. To make it more realistic, we will select the pattern layer, then adjust it to multiply. And there you have it, your stunning jersey design presented in a lifelike manner. So, what are you waiting for? Download the free jersey mockup template from the link in the description and let your creativity shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more exciting design resources, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.